Chris, I'm going to show you how to manage the costumes that are featured on the home website. The home page has a slider which goes through various costumes, a brief description, and then it links to a page with more information on this costume. Now, the purpose of this is to show off your work that you're most proud of. Maybe show off the costumes that are the newest, costumes that you probably had a featured model work with you, something that you really want to bring attention to. So this area on the home page is not meant to show off every single costume, but the ones that you really want to put out in front and really show off the most for whatever reason. Maybe they're the newest costumes, or they're special for some particular reason. So this area on the home page, that's what I set it up for, and I'm going to show you how to edit this area. One thing to keep in mind, this right here, I need you to email me what you want to say in this area. I'll be glad to update that for you. But you can change this featured area here regularly, and let me show you how to do that. You want to log in again to your back panel, and this featured area here, what you want to do is you want to go to posts, because again, remember, in order to give you a way to manage your website very easily, I've installed a WordPress backend, which is what's running this particular area called your dashboard. And this featured area is managed through posts that are featured posts. So if you want to change any of these items, for example, you'll want to maybe put a different title, put the name of the costume here, maybe a little bit of brief information here. What you want to do is just go to that particular costume. What a great featured costume one. Click on edit, and from here you can manage what you want to say. You can change this to new, or actually you can change this to costume name. You can change any of this content here just like you would if you were editing a page. And you want to make sure that if you want a particular costume to be featured here on the home page, you want to assign it to the featured category. When you check this category here, you're telling your website to feature this particular costume on the home page. You also want to upload a featured image. So if you want a particular costume to be on the home page, you go here to posts, click on add new, put the name of the costume, information on the costume, and you upload a featured image, which is the image that will be used on the home page. So it's really very similar to adding or editing pages. Now if we click update here, you'll see that if we come back to the home page and hit refresh, changes have taken effect. You see now we have costume name here. So you can see it's very easy to edit the home page featured costume. So you can go one by one, change what I have for the title, and also change the content. If you want to add new featured images to the home page, it's just like adding a page to your website. What you do is you go to add new, you put the name of the costume or whatever you want displayed on the home page here on the featured slider. The title is what you put here, and then go ahead and put whatever information you want about the particular costume here, upload a featured image, and then click on featured. And once you do that, it will be displayed here on the home page. Now here's a tip. If you want to add you'll notice that on all featured costumes that I have on the home page, they all follow a particular layout where I have the picture of the costume and some information here. So if you want, what I would suggest is if you want to add more costumes to the featured homepage area, you could always just pick one out, go to HTML, copy everything, click on Add New, go to HTML and paste it, and then that gives you a template where you can just simply delete the picture, put your own in there, and you have something to work off of. But as you can see, it's very simple. The homepage area has a featured area going through your most popular or your most unique costumes that you want to feature on the homepage. All you do is go here to All Posts, find the one you want to edit, and then you can simply click Edit and edit it just like you would any page on your website. And that's how you edit the featured area on the home page. This is the end of the video.